The tertiary institution named King David Umahi University of Medical Sciences will not only train students who can compete favorably with their counterparts all over the globe, but it will also handle the treatment of ailments such as cancer, kidney transplants, as well as production of dialyzers as a specialty hospital.
Swampy nature was like more than 1.2 to 2 meters some area. How swampy this place used to be. And for us to have made it to look this beautiful, you should have known the amount of effort that have gone into it. And all this was just done within these 2 years and out of the wonderful knowledge and directives of the governor.
This medical university is going to address a lot of medical needs of the people of Nigeria and indeed Africa.
Fashioned after hybrid health facilities in advanced countries, the school has accommodation for all its prospective students and workforce to enhance efficiency in learning and service delivery.
Everything that had been done here was done by Nigeria. So the whole world should give our governor the kudos for using Nigerian content purely to build this kind of wonderful edifice.
One thing that is very critical is that it's going to provide job opportunities for the people of Ebonyi State and in Nigeria.
We're expecting by September we'll have our first intake of students, medical students into this university.
Although the state government has severally hinted on the expected school fees of the Ivory Tower, there are assurances that gifted Ebonyi indigenes will always be considered through a special arrangement.
Actually, it's going to be an expensive university, but we will ensure that even the low class will be assisted through scholarship by institutions and the governments.
So we have made effectively adequate provisions to make here the world-class university.
I'm very happy because of our excellent governor, the things where he do for this our village. He will make everybody to grow.
So I write this governor well.
Apart from ending medical tourism, which is a major cause of capital flight in Nigeria, the full operation of King David Umahi University of Medical Sciences will have a ripple effect on the socio-economic activities of both the government and the people. In Abakaliki, Chika Okore, NTA News.